Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Threads weekly settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above here we search about Threads and we click here in this page of app info. We go to first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.